Premium wooden flooring at affordable prices. Wooden flooring is a classic and elegant choice for any home, but it can often be seen as a luxury item, out of reach for many homeowners. However, there are now a number of companies offering premium wooden flooring at much more affordable prices. For good reason, wood is one of the most popular flooring materials on the market. It's beautiful, durable, and easy to maintain. However, wood floors can be expensive, and many people are turned off by the high price tag. Luckily, there are different types of premium wooden floors at an affordable price. Let's move to look at them. Different types of wooden flooring at affordable prices. There are many types of premium wooden flooring available on the market today, and choosing the right one for your home can be a daunting task. With so many options available, it's important to know the differences between each type of wood and how they will affect the overall look and feel of your home. Here are some of the most popular types of premium wooden flooring available. 1. Engineered wood flooring. Engineered wood flooring is a type of flooring that is made from real wood but with a plywood or HDF core. The top layer is a hardwood veneer, which can be sanded and refinished like solid hardwood. Engineered wood is a great option for homeowners who want the look of hardwood floors without the high cost or maintenance. It is also more resistant to humidity and temperature changes than solid hardwood, making it a good choice for rooms that get a lot of sunlight or are located in humid climates. 2. Solid wood flooring. Solid wood flooring is a type of flooring that is made from real wood. The top layer is made of hardwood, while the bottom layer is made of another type of wood. Solid wood flooring is more stable than hardwood and can be installed over different types of subfloors. Solid wood flooring is available in a variety of colors and finishes. It can be stained or painted to match the existing decor in your home. This type of wood flooring is also easy to clean and maintain. 3. Laminate wood flooring. Laminate wood flooring is a type of flooring that is made from multiple layers of compressed wood. Laminate wood flooring is designed to resemble real wood, but it is more durable and easier to clean. Laminate wood flooring is a popular choice for homes and businesses because it is attractive and easy to care for. Laminate wood flooring is available in a variety of colors and styles, and it can be installed over any type of subfloor. 4. Vinyl wood flooring. Vinyl wood flooring is a great way to get the look of wood floors without the high cost. Vinyl floors are also much easier to install and care for than hardwood floors. When shopping for vinyl flooring, it is important to look for a product that has a thick wear layer. The wear layer is the clear protective coating that is applied to the flooring. The thicker the wear layer, the more durable the flooring will be. 5. Bamboo flooring. Bamboo flooring is a type of flooring made from the bamboo plant. It is a popular choice for many homeowners because it is durable, attractive, and eco-friendly. Bamboo is a sustainable resource that grows quickly, so it is a good choice for those looking for an eco-friendly option. Bamboo flooring comes in a variety of colors and styles. It can be used in any room in the home, and it is easy to clean and maintain. Bamboo flooring is a great choice for those looking for a durable and attractive flooring option. There are many types of premium wooden flooring on the market today. However, not all of them are created equal. Some are more expensive than others, but there are also some that are more affordable without sacrificing quality. We have mentioned the different types of premium wooden flooring that you can find at an affordable price. Each type of flooring has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. However, all of them are good choices for commercial or residential areas.